Hello friends. A lot of PUBG players are now facing issues with mic. Most of them are Geo users. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. This might not work for everyone. The reason for mic issue may be different for some people. At least try this to see if this is working. First, go to Settings. Click Other Wireless Connections. Select Private DNS. If you cannot find it there, search in Settings. By default, it will be off. Change it to Designated Private DNS. Type dns.google. Click Save. Open PUBG and check if it is working.